All right, let's go. Let's see. I'm waiting on YouTube. Telling me I am live. Welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up, powered and sponsored by StockTrade.tips. I am Mark, your MC. Let's get right to it. Look, these are the stocks that we are looking at and basically researching tonight. Right? These are not our alerts or our calls. They're just stocks that we want to make you aware of that insiders, hedge funds, investment funds are buying, right? So let's go right to it. And then I've got a couple of other things I want to show you as well. So here we go. This is what the market said today. We had a lot of blood. We had a lot more blood around 2 p.m. my time. So 1 p.m. your time, or 2 p.m. Eastern time is when the blood started to run. So that being said, let's go through a couple things. All right, on the swaggy stocks, here are the top mentions on Wall Street Bets. CLNE, AMCE, BlackBerry, of course. We got Workhorse. We got DKNG. Did you know that when Hindenburg Research basically came out and said that we're short DraftKings, that Kathy Wood, I just did a TikTok on this. Kathy Wood bought $42 million more of her DraftKings position yesterday, 870,000 shares. ITUB, I picked up that. That's a new one on Wall Street Bets, or it's one that's moved all the way up. I did pick up some of that one before the end of close, just to let you know that, guys. And then, of course, we got CLLV, GME. Tesla is moving up in GOEV. Like you know that. All right, let's look at what the insiders are buying. These are the ones that I would look at. Now, there's a lot more, but there's reasons I don't look at them. I'm not going to go into those reasons right now. You can look at my other videos and understand the freshest page, just so if we got anything new. Yeah, we got Jenks Therapeutics up there. All right, so let me find out where we start. All right, so I would look at SNPX. I would look at that one. That one actually went up today when the market was basically down. QB, look at that one. EEFT, you would look at that one. I'm not big on that one. Now, the one that's going to be a point of contention here is UHAL. You had 3 executives size up on the 15th yesterday, all bought $45 million position. Problem with that is that it's literally a $550 stock, right? It's expensive stock. Doesn't make it any less a stock. I'm just telling you, your risk to reward, your asymmetrical risk is thrown off big time there. All right, I would look at HWL. Now, understand that's multiple filings though, so that could be off. I would look at RAMP. I would look at QSR. I would not look at this BH. Do not look at that one. And Jenks, I've seen before. And that's a big position somebody just took. It's RA Capital again. Now that is a D, which I believe a D that's a derivative transaction. So I'd stay away from JANX. I'm gonna back up on that. Stay away from JANX. All right, let's go to the high short interest stocks right now. The high short interest stocks, it doesn't change a lot, but the number one, Workhorse. Number 2, CLOV, Clover Health, we all know. Backed by Chamath. FUV, I haven't seen that one on Wall Street Bets yet. Obviously, GEO has been on Wall Street Bets, BLNK, OTRK, Pets, Nikola is there, and Bed Bath Beyond. Then we go into Root. Then we go into GEO. Are you getting the picture here? Literally, this is what you want to look at. It's highshortinterest.com. I'm going to help you out there, right? And you can literally go down, and at the bottom is GME, Fubo, GME. You'll recognize them. So that's a very good list to watch out for. All right, the low float. Now on that same website, you can go to the low float. I don't find the low float ones that Wall Street Bets really likes. They like low float stocks. Don't get me wrong, but they're not looking at this list. There's only a couple that I could pick out on here that have gone big time through the meme stock trade. I believe MDLY was one. TCI might have gone one time. There was one that we had here on here about 30. ISIG. We did have on here that's not a meme stock. It's just one that did well for us. All right. So now we're going to go to. I want to show you my newest tool that I use. It is called, and I did a TikTok on this today too, Quiver Quant. Quiver Quant, right? Check this out, guys. You're on the website. You can see what your senators are trading. What's the newest trade? House has a lot more trades, right? Who's got government contracts? Political beta. I'm not there yet. It's a Trump thing. But cool thing is, it's got sentiments from Wall Street bets. It's even got more. It's got, I think Swaggy Stocks is better, but this one's also got put and calls, excuse me, of the different Wall Street bets, and then it's got a heat map of where the more or less dimensions are, right? So that's pretty cool. If you want to see the house trading really quick, let me click on it. It's not the fastest site. Understand it's basically AI focused. So basically, you can go through here and click on your favorite congressman, right? And you can see the kind of performance, aka return, that they're getting on their portfolio. But here's the cool thing. So you can see the most recent transaction. This is Kevin Hearn. Let's see some stuff that he sized up on huge, right? Here's a $250,000 to $1 million buy EMR. Here's one EXAS. That's a Kathy Wood special as well. FCX. See some bigger ones here. Microsoft. That's a big cap. ROK. PRGS is on the 15th as well. And then it just goes down. I mean, Kevin Hearn buys a lot here. Susie Lee. So my point is, you can run this forever. It's great website. One of the things I do want to point out too is it's not just Wall Street Bets, it's Stack Overflow. Hacker News don't have a lot. The corporate Twitter's kind of cool. But here's the best thing. Here's the insider trading, which we already get at openinsider.com for you guys. But here's the coolest one, right? The corporate flights, right? So if you watched Showtime's Billions, right? You know that the hedge fund on there, or all the hedge funds, they look at this corporate flights. Well, they basically pegged these jets, and they're basically, I think their call signs or their tail numbers, whatever it is, they've pegged it to a ticker symbol. So you can look at where they're flying to, at what time, and where they're coming from. So very, very cool stuff there. Wanted to look at the crypto market really quick, tell you what's going on. Markets did go down today. Bitcoin went down today, which very much surprised me. It didn't go down much. We're looking at 3%, so not that big a deal. It's actually I want to say it was the best performing today, or one of in the top 20 for sure. Yeah. So we should have Chills went on Coinbase Pro today. I saw Shiba went on Coinbase Pro. So you'll start seeing those being traded a lot more. We can talk about coins later. Is there anything else I wanted to give you guys? Let's do one last look of insiders, and we've had Signet Jewelers. Understand, if you do this for as long as I've done this, I would look at SIG, but it's been on there before multiple times. So just so you know. All right. With that said, this has been StockTrade.tips. I will try to do this every day. I typically don't. If I don't, it's on my TikTok, which is at StockTrade.tips. With that being said, guys, go hard to paint, and we will see you. Well, watch your 6 first, and then you go hard in the paint, and we'll see you next time. See you guys. Thanks.